Can a non-resident really open an account in the United Arab Emirates without a valid Emirates ID? Sounds impossible, right? Well, these 5 banks will let you open a savings account even without an Emirates ID. So let's dive in. The first bank is Mashreq with its Mashreq Private Banking that offers different savings accounts for non-residents. Before even we go any further, let's first look at the essentials. For a non-resident account application, you will need to gather the following documents: a valid passport, proof of address such as a utility bill, a bank account statement for the last 6 months, and a proof of a source of income. And note, some banks like the NBD may require some extra documents, so always check their specific requirements. So now that your documents are all well set, let's look at the Mashreq Neo private banking for UAE non-residents. The Mashreq Bank offers different savings accounts for non-residents, including the basic savings account. And here are the key features and benefits of this account. Provides a debit card instantly, quick processing of the application. You will also access free internet banking, phone banking, and mobile banking facilities. And most importantly, this account supports all major currencies like the USD and the pound. But here is the catch. You will be required to make an initial deposit while opening this account. The amount of this deposit will differ depending on the account type. So, to start your application, visit the Mashreq website by typing Mashreq Neo Private Banking in your Google search bar, or you can use the link in the description. On this page, tap on Become a Customer, and again, tap on Apply Now. Then fill this form and submit. Wait for the bank representative to get back in touch with you, and then finalize your account opening process. So basically, Mashreq is a good bank for non-residents, but is not the best option since you need to physically travel to the UAE and have a valid UAE mobile number. Open this account, and that brings us to our next bank option, which is even better. The HSBC Bank, with its expert banking option, caters for your international banking needs even if you're living abroad outside of the United Arab Emirates. You can set up your HSBC expert bank account online in USD, pound, or even the euro. No matter where you are, you can open this account with your passport and other necessary documents, and then you start exploring different services like mortgages and investments. To open this account, visit the HSBC website by typing experts.hsbc.com or use the link in the description. Go ahead and enter the necessary information to check your eligibility to apply, and then follow the instructions to finalize your account opening process. And that brings us to our next bank, which is the Emirates NBD. Through its priority banking, non-residents can avail 2 different accounts at Emirates NBD, which is the Emirates Standard Savings Account and the third account. These are some of the key features and benefits of this non-resident account: free monthly statements, good interest rates on the balance maintained on this account, a free debit card which can be availed at international locations, access to internet and online banking, plus multiple currencies. To apply for this account, you have to visit the Emirates NBD website and go for priority banking. Fill the form and wait for the bank representative to get in touch with you, where they will choose an account that best suits your needs. Just like all non-resident accounts, this account also has an initial and minimum deposit, which we're going to see in a minute. For now, let's move on to our next bank, which is the RAKBANK, through its RAK non-resident bank account. This bank account is perfect for a global modern citizen. Along with the seamless account opening process, as a non-resident, you can open this account with RAKBANK and become an elite customer. and then enjoy both financial and non-financial benefits. To open this account, visit the RAKBANK website by typing non-resident account RAKBANK in your Google search bar. Tap on Apply Now. Provide your basic information by filling this form and then submit. Just like most of non-resident accounts, you'll need to physically be in the UAE even if you're not a permanent resident to apply for this account. So, should banks make it more easier to open non-resident accounts online? What do you think about the complexity of opening a non-resident bank account in the United Arab Emirates? And finally, our last bank is none other than First Abu Dhabi Bank. Non-residents can open a personal savings account at the Bank and enjoy the following key features and benefits. This account supports major currencies, doesn't require minimum average balance, and gives interest on all the balances maintained on this account. You will also get a free debit MasterCard, access to different airport lounges, and the holder of this account must be 18 and above. So, before we can actually see how you can open a non-resident bank account, let's address a couple of important questions that I know most of you have. As we have seen, most of these banks require an initial deposit and a minimum balance, which is typically around 25,000 dirhams, so be prepared for this. Can you complete the account opening process online? Unfortunately, no. You can start the process online, but to finalize it, most of these banks require you to physically visit a bank branch and finalize your process. And finally, the processing time for your account may differ depending on the documents you submit. Typically, it takes just 1 day to open your account, but depending on your profile and the bank of your choice, it may take 2 to 4 weeks for you to open your account. That's why it's essential for you to have a strong financial history and all necessary documents ready. So, to open your non-resident savings account, visit the website, fill the Call Me Back form, and then the bank representative will get back to you with the best bank choice, with the best bank option for you. So, that is our complete guide on how non-residents can open a UAE bank account using these top 5 banks. If there is any good bank that you know that will let non-residents open a bank account in UAE that I haven't mentioned in this video, let me know in the comments. And for UAE residents that want to open a zero balance account, the video up next will guide you.